Yeah, it's a video time. You might have to scooch over, but we'll see. Hit a bowl of the maple kush to start this off before I get into it. You know those moments when you make a good impulsive purchase? Or when you make a bad impulsive purchase, like a really terrible impulsive purchase, and it just turns out to be like you regret it so much and you wish you could return it? Well, this actually turned out to be one of those good impulsive purchases where I think it's going to be amazing. Those one in a hundred kind of purchases where it's just like you're so happy you got it and it's like the best thing ever, you know what I mean? So I think that's what these are going to be. So I'm excited to open this up, unbox it, and try it on. I don't know why my hair is randomly curled like this on the side, but oh well. Hello everybody, me and Maya here today on this beautiful rainy Monday morning. What better than to do an unboxing video? Am I right, Maya? The husky? All ready to go. One of my favorite brands we're going to be looking at today, and like I was saying, this is probably one of those purchases where I'm just going to be really happy with it. So yeah, because I've got high expectations for this company, and I really love it, all their products so far, really love all their designs, really love everything about it pretty much. And also, part of the story I forgot to say was this impulsive decision turned out to be also really good because it was the last one and it sold out right away. So there was like something, or sold out after that. So it was almost sold out. Something told me just to get them, even though they're crazy expensive. They're like $150 retail. All this. Got my receipt here. Yeah, $150 retail. So that's crazy, bro. But for this company, it's worth it because it's cheaper than ordering from them. I would have to pay more on duties and conversion. It would come to like $300 for a pair of shorts if I ordered directly from them. Right? Maya, she's like, what do you want? Lay down. Here we have the Tremor PARRA board short, or like swim shorts, I guess you could say. What the heck? Bro. They put the tag through the pants on this. That's literally like so stupid. I hate people who do that. Like, you have to be actually like really dumb to do that, because then it'll slowly fall apart over time if you break the actual like overall coverage of the pant. Especially if you're 150, yo, I'm messaging every time from this store. Like, I don't know if they just hire people who do not know what they're doing. Like, I don't get it. Like, they're just like, oh, we'll just hire people that look cool. Like, no, you gotta actually hire people who at least have a brain, too. So we have the classic PARRA tag here. You could check out from Amsterdam. You could check out some other stuff I got from them, like a shirt, this super crazy expensive blanket, made in China, medium. Oh, I thought it was made in Amsterdam, too. But, oh well, everyone's got their, like, factory export things. Some, like, fluff. Oh, see, some of the stitchings come kind of fluffy right there. And it does have that interior board short underwear lining, which I am scared about, but this one looked, like, comfy, so I was like, whatever. Like, that's the first thing I asked. I was like, wait, does it have that, like, interior lining? And they were like, and I was like, oh, yeah, it does. So, I'm gonna have to see. I hope it doesn't annoy me, because these are expensive, and, you know, like, inserts are always annoying, but this one looks like pretty, like, not too, like, tight and annoying, like some, like, freaking ballet briefs or whatever. I don't even know. Like, that's what I think of. Like, you know, like the people in Britain who wore, like, those puffy pants and stuff. Have the elegant pants from RuneScape. That's what it makes me think of. See, like, the elastic band kind of scares me, but hopefully they're like the Patagonia board shorts, because those are, like, the only ones I ever found that I liked, and hopefully these ones are good, too. See, loose stitching everywhere. What the fuck is with this company, bro? The PARRA tag right there. Ooh. And it's white on the interior with this dark, like, burgundy and, like, greenish, bluish color. I don't know what you call that. I'm terrible with colors. And nice, thick drawstrings with that nice, thick enclosure at the end, just like the Cause ones. Nice. So you know it's quality. And this giant patch, stitch on patch. I know I'm hot too, Maya. You're heating me up too much. This nice big Tremors patch from PARRA. with that embroidery on it. Super beautiful. And it's even got a butt pocket with a, ooh, it's a button. It's not snap-on, it's an actual button. Very nice red. Love these, but now I want to message the company about that whole, like, bro, that's so stupid. And there's something, I even want to message them about the shoes I got too, because those ones had some issues I was talking about in that video. I don't know what else to say other than to just, like, try them on. They look like normal length too. They got side pockets with the mesh in them, and with the mesh lining, and then just white. Where's the material tag? Okay, I don't see a material tag, so I don't know what they are. They're probably like nylon. I don't think they're cotton. Maybe they were. I don't remember. Okay, now for me to try these on. So I'll be right back when I set this up. Look at this. Oh, this is cute. Oh my god. So cute. There we go. Okay, let's try these shorts. Yeah, they're gonna be long. But, like, they look like they're like perfect chill shorts. So let's try them on, Maya. I'm on with boxers. I usually wear boxers with them. But these, because like the baggies, it advertises it as like you can wear them with boxers or without. But these, I don't think you can really wear boxers with them. They look a lot better in person though, like in the light. The colors look nicer. And it is like a perfect fit for the shorts, but just like I thought, the insert is crap. The only one that I really like the most is the Patagonia baggies, because it's not like tight. It doesn't have that elastic. The elastic is what like ruins it, because it'll like ride up, it like rubs on your leg, goes into your crotch, and all that nonsense. So that is legit the only problem. I really do not enjoy. So I'm gonna have to try them on without underwear. So give me a second. I don't wanna, can't see my weenie. Without the boxers, it still bothers me, but like, I just wouldn't buy another pair of these. It's like better than any other type of insert like this, honestly. Because it's still, it's like a comfy elastic. And it like doesn't rub that much. It's not like, it's like a good fabric, because it's an expensive fabric. So it's not the worst. But honestly, I would not get another pair just because of that. So that's very unfortunate. I really wish it didn't have the liner. That ruins it. Like, these would be such nice shorts. I wonder if they have just any, maybe if they have regular shorts, I'll get those. But, oh well, I had to get a pair because I love all their stuff. So, oh well, right, Maya? They look fire though. Like, they fit perfect. I'm like a 32 waist, it's medium, 5'11", and they're like right above my knee, so it's like the perfect chill length. I guess that would be like 7 inches, I think. Is that how long that is? 8 inches? I don't know. 10? Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Just, not my thing for the inserts. But this like, I'll keep them obviously, but probably not gonna get any more in the future. And kind of lower some points off. It makes it not like, as I was saying, not like something I'm gonna be obsessed with, like every day with the baggies. You can literally wear those without underwear. With underwear, the insert doesn't matter. So comfy, I've slept in them, like they're actually amazing. Yeah. That's all for this. Stay tuned for the preview now.